In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce file size of a video in Canva. If your video exports are too large to email, upload, or share quickly, Canva has a simple control that lets you shrink the file size right at download, without changing your design. I'll walk you through it step by step and explain what the quality slider actually does, so you can pick the best balance of clarity and size. First, open the project you want to export. Make sure you're looking at the final version you intend to share, with your edits, text, and timing in place. Once you're ready, look to the top right corner of the Canva editor and click the Share button. This is where Canva collects all the options for exporting and distributing your work. From the Share menu, choose Download. That opens the download panel with a list of available formats. Because we're exporting a video, select the MP4 video option. MP4 is a widely supported format and is the standard choice for social platforms, emails, and most websites. Picking MP4 ensures your file will play smoothly almost anywhere. Now, below the format choice, you'll see a slider labeled for video quality. This slider controls the trade-off between how crisp your video looks and how big the final file will be. Sliding the control to the left lowers the quality, which compresses the video more and results in a smaller file size. Sliding it to the right increases quality and file size. Here's how to think about it. If you're sharing a quick clip on social media or sending a preview to a client, you can often reduce the quality a notch or two and barely notice a difference, especially on mobile screens. If the video includes lots of text, fine details, or fast motion, keep the quality a bit higher so those elements stay sharp. A small adjustment left on the slider can dramatically reduce the file size while keeping the visuals clear enough for most uses. When you've set a quality level you're comfortable with, proceed with the download. Canva will render the video using the quality you chose. Once it finishes, you should find the resulting file is noticeably smaller and easier to upload or send. That's all there is to it. Open your project, click Share, choose Download, select MP4 video, and then move the quality slider to the left to reduce file size. Use small adjustments to find your personal sweet spot between visual clarity and a compact file.